Ito na guys. Tapos ilagay ko na guys yung itong kakang gata. Ito guys oh. Kakang gata. Ito. Hiwain mo na yung sili mo boy. Yan. Yan guys. Yung kakang gata.
Ang pinakamalulupit. Sa bawat hampas, lahat mapapaatras.
Yan.
Magpupuksaan ang mga palaban. Premier Volleyball League on Tour. Tutukan ang mga maiinit na salpukan sa iba't ibang dako ng rehiyon. That's another Premier Volleyball League on Tour. Dito lang sa
Tapos iwag-wag mo dito.
RVTV, One Sports Plus at Pilipinas Live. Right here for tonight's main event.
Lagyan natin guys ng sili. Masarap. Ayan. Maganda.
What are you seeing through the 6 rounds? What adjustments does Brandon Figueroa need to make here?
Well, Brandon Figueroa is unlikely to make a lot of changes. I mean, right now he's just getting out puzzled.
Ito, may dulo pa.
Just like he does. He's
Wag-wag
very
mo.
busy. He's on the inside.
Ayan na guys.
You know, he's
Lagyan natin yung sili para maangang-angang.
then Figueroa
Ito na.
has his distance.
Ba? Yan. Ngayon, takpan muna natin. Mamaya mga 3 minutes. Ano na yan guys? Luto na yan. Kasi ano na yan, nakaluto na yung kamuting kahoy ko.
It's not much to do because Gonzalez is smothering that, which is what Figueroa
Yan, ito na guys.
his own game basically.
Yan, ang luto ng mga longga. Yan na guys, luto na to guys. Yan. Thank you for watching.